In this lesson, I will show you how to create sections in SketchUp. By creating sections, you can show details of a scene that are not clearly visible because they are hidden behind other objects. The term section typically refers to a view of a structure as though it has been sliced in half or cut along another imaginary plane, which is generally a vertical plane. You create a section in SketchUp using the Section Plane tool. With this tool, you select the position of the section plane so that the elements you want to show will be clearly visible. The Section Plane tool can be activated if you expand the Tools menu and select the Section Plane option. Alternatively, you can click on the Section Plane icon located in the Large Tool Set toolbar on the left. The same icon can be found in the Section toolbar. I'll click on the icon in the Section toolbar to activate the tool. Notice that the section plane appears, and while I am moving the cursor over a surface, the plane is rotated to be parallel to the surface. I will click on the left surface of the building to place the plane. As soon as I click, the Name Section Plane window appears to type a name for the section I am about to create. If you don't want to see this message every time you create a section plane, you can click on the checkbox next to Please don't show this again. In this example, I won't change the default name, nor will I activate the checkbox, and I will just click OK. Notice that the section plane is placed on the wall. To move this section plane to the position I want, I will activate the Move tool. Then, I'll click on a random spot on the plane and move it to the right of the building. Notice that the section plane dynamically cuts the building as I move it. In this case, I want to show the inside of the bedrooms, so I will move the section plane until the bedrooms are clearly visible, and once they are, I will click to place it. Now let's see what the remaining icons of the section toolbars do. The Display Section Plane icon controls whether the section plane will be visible in the scene or not. With this option enabled, the section plane appears in the scene, and if it is disabled, the section plane disappears. The Display Section Cuts icon toggles the section view on and off. With this option enabled, the building appears sliced, and if I disable it, the building appears whole. Finally, with the Display Section Fill icon, you can control if the cut parts will appear filled or hollow. Take a look at how the walls change where they are cut as I turn this icon on or off. When it is turned on, the walls appear filled, and when it is turned off, they appear hollow. While the section plane is selected, I will right-click on it and select the Reverse option. Notice that the direction of the section changes, and now the opposite of the model is displayed. In the same way, I can reverse the direction again to restore the initial result. Now, I'll right-click on it and select the Align View option to position the camera in front of the section plane. At this point, I should mention that I can project this view so that the lines appear parallel in both 3D and 2D space. This view is also known as an orthographic view. To do this, I will expand the Camera menu and select the Parallel Projection option. Look at the result. The section appears as a two-dimensional view. To restore the perspective view, I will orbit the scene a little, and I will expand the Camera menu again to select the Perspective option.